Fellas, I knew that was coming. Dude, I knew that was coming. I, dude, I'm sorry for the late stream. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Good morning, boy. Good morning, Tao. You can see why I was late to the stream, eh? But anyways, we're live. I'm going to play some music. I don't know why it's not loading. 1 second. I'm just gonna make sure everything's good here. Because things are lagging, but we're looking at 930 right now. 930 is ripping up higher. Took out buy side liquidity. Potential lows nested. Looks like a nice fair value gap there. Get rid of some of these executions because this is just disgusting. So those are also triple equal highs now. So I'm actually going to wait until the macro most likely. I don't know if I want to take a short off of this just yet. Like it was 930 manipulation to the upside, but we don't know yet. Bodies have respected the consequent correction of that. How many times now? Today's Thursday, right? Or Wednesday. Today's Thursday. We have PMI at 10 a.m. Good morning, Zahid. So much sell side and buy side liquidity. We just been imbalancing between everything. I'm going to delete yesterday's level here. London low liquidity. Yeah, I think it's going to go target this. But again, there's clear rejection at this level as well. So it looks like it could be seek and destroy till 10 a.m. Just being careful. I can't listen to that. That's going to get me copyright. All right. Again, I don't know if I want to be short as of right now. That's just not what I'm looking into. It looks like it wants to reverse back up to the buy side, but it's also consolidating at that daily order block. In terms of the 4 hour, it bodied. So it looks like it could be trading lower away from those equal highs and then take those equal highs later on. What are your predictions, guys? Are you bullish or bearish? Okay, we're going back into this fair value gap here. What's up, John? Might want to take a cut risk short here. Let's see how we get a body respect here. Let's see. One contract though. Okay, I'll send an order in. We're starting off with one contract today, $500 risk. Cut risk. Let's see what this can bring us. Almost 2R. Mitigation. Actually, I don't need to put my stop there. It shouldn't go back above that high. I'm gonna put it at this low, $400 risk. Now it's 2R. We're just going based off of quick 930 manipulation, right? 930 takes buy side liquidity, engineered buy side liquidity here. Engineers buy side as well and trades away. Just want to anticipate that price action is going to continue down lower and take some form of liquidity, potentially down here or to those lows there. But it's cut risk. Very cut risk. This isn't like the cleanest entry. I'm not too fond in taking shorts right now, but there is a setup, so I'll take it, but I'll cut risk. We are up $2,500 from yesterday. I don't know. Oh, I got stopped out anyways. Okay, not bad. I got spread in my favor. But I don't know if you guys were watching my PM session. We balled out yesterday. We finished $2,500 in profit. My cousin regarding trading, is it enough to watch your live videos or should he do anything? He should be studying ICT concepts and studying his own, journaling his own. I don't think we're bearish. I think we're going to return back up to these relative equal highs. That's why I cut risk. That's why I only did one contract. I'm just going to wait right now. It looks like it's time distorting. I haven't had a really clean profile on the hourly in a while. Again, look at this regular trading hour gap here. Look at what is price rejecting to go to. We still have all of that up there, right? So remember that we still have this to go up to. That's why I ideally want to be bullish here. Price action has been bad for the past month. Yeah, that's regular August. In the beginning of September to all of August is usually really bad. It'll clear up though. Literally no worries whatsoever. Okay, look at this volume imbalance. Look how price reacts to this volume imbalance. Look at market structure shift for value gap. Let's see if we can go down to this inversion. Potentially target that. I'm going to get one contract in on longs here because it traded above that, creating an order block. Once I see a body there, I'm going to drag my stop loss below. I wanted to be long to begin with, but both cut risk. Target are those equal highs. Okay, I'm going to get in long now. Stop loss below at the body of the order, or the wick of the order block. Take profit, relative equal highs. Both cut risk. Why is my YouTube not alerting? Do you have notifications on? Amazing body reaction. Want to see it push up a little bit higher. Don't want to see it fail to reach up higher. We have that order block that it could also trade to, so it's all good. Both cut risk entries, nothing crazy, not risking too much, identifying that it's low probability and cutting risk. Not going to full risk until I have a clear profile of a liquidity sweep and a market structure shift for value gap. Yeah, see, that's why we cut risk. Okay, so we're about 900 down on the first part of the day. I'm going to chill with the cut risk trades. Perfectly fine. My full risk is $2,000. Looks like it respects the cost approach on this. So my ideal prediction is it's going to go down to these relative equal lows, and then PMI is going to bring it up to the highs. Well, we had a really good day yesterday. We started off slow. Morning session, break even. 2 break-even trades. That is like the worst thing to have. 2 break-even trades. I'd rather have losses at that point, dude. Break-even kill me. But and then we took a break, came back, got a win, a break-even again, and then another win. And then after the power hour, we got another win. So 3 wins yesterday. PM session has been balling. There's clear rejection at this level here, so you just want to sit out for a little. It's a fat candle there. Yeah, this price action is just dookie. Typical NFP week though. $9.30 has been really ugly recently. Fair value gap here. Not taking it. Still have engineered liquidity here and engineered liquidity there. My take profit gonna be consequent encroachment? No, my take profit would be these relative equal highs. 1, 2, 3. But I don't think that's gonna go there. I think it's gonna go to the regular trading hour gap, which is up here. So I would just take heavy partials at those relative equal highs. It's time distortion right now, so we're gonna sit on our hands. Don't want to do much. Ah. Sorry about that loud notification. We're just waiting for price action to clear up. Why can't I see my live? Okay. So if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We're trying to hit 2,200 before the end of the week. We're waiting for price action to clear up here. It's very ugly. We want to wait for some sort of liquidity sweep on highs or lows. Right now it's just in consolidation, so you want to wait a bit. Usually, I'm not gonna lie, for the past month, 9:30 and the early AM session has been ugly and the PM session cleans up. So we're just gonna preserve our capital and wait a little bit, see if something can clear up. Again, don't fall for any fair value gap entries right now. That is not accurate. Dude, I remember I posted one post about ICT is the best mentor, and it went ballistic. And then Romeo comments under it, hyping himself up. Like, buddy, you're the only fan in this audience of yourself. It's so funny. He comments like something like, yeah, ICT concepts were good until I created mine and then mine overtook his. Shut up. Shut up, buddy. Just ugly consolidation right now. We just need to wait a little bit. If you're new to the stream, I stream every single day. I trade, so make sure to hit the subscription button. It helps a lot, and I also post videos. Need to be patient here, wait for price action. If it doesn't clear up after PMI in 5 minutes, then I'm going to be getting off and trading PM session. PM session was bomb yesterday, and I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go to the gym, and I'll come back for PM. But maybe PMI will clear it up. Right? That's PMI. I don't see the little green arrow indicating that that's next. It's September 4th. So, yeah, 10 a.m. PMI. What are the stocks doing? Break even, break even, break even, break even. Snowflake down 5%, that's huge. Amazon up 3%, that's huge. Figma down 20%, dude. This stock is terrible. Bro, how many people? It's so over-evaluated, dude, honestly. Like, look at Reddit being super undervaluated at its IPO. And then there's Figma ripping down lower. I was tired yesterday, so you didn't trade. Hey, listen, don't force yourself to trade, man. When you're tired, listen to your body. Your brain doesn't work properly when you're tired. It really doesn't. One of the things I learned is that to become a profitable trader, you need to be a profitable person. And what does that mean? What does being a profitable person mean? That means being 1% better than where you were yesterday every single day. A lot of people live life cruising. They go to work, they do this, and they just cruise. Being a profitable person is you go to the gym every day, that's 1% better in your health. You work on something that's scalable, that's of your own, you're 1% better every day you do it. That's how you become a profitable trader. How do you invest in stocks as I see concept trading? I dollar cost average, I hedge. I don't invest in stocks to try to call the top or bottom. I just invest in long term. Every week on Friday. $200 a week. PMI's in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Are you waiting for London lows to be swept? I'm waiting for PMI. Ideally, I do want to see London lows though before we go up for the highs. PMI is in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. If you are new to the stream, I have almost $200,000 in payouts. I live stream every single day I trade. Make sure to hit the subscription button. It lets you know when I'm live because some days like today, I might be live late or early. You won't know. And also, everybody hit the like button. We're at 7 likes. Yesterday, we had half the viewers and we got 50 likes. So let's try to get to 20 likes. If we can get to 20 likes before I catch a trade. It helps more than you guys think. It helps way more than you think. Puts me on the feed, helps me get more engagement. Then I can keep doing what I'm doing. PMI is in 2 minutes. How many likes are we at now? 11. Yes, sir. 4 of you guys are real. 4 of you guys are W people. Real supporters. Thank you. There's patience. That's all it is. We need to be patient. Wait for news to clear something up. Time distortion at 9:30 is real and it's been happening. A lot. Bless me. We're just waiting for it to clear up. Today I got a busy day, and that busy day consists of doing the same thing I did yesterday, of streaming, PM session, going to the gym. That's all I'm going to be doing today. So if you want to see PM session, this is the place to be, because yesterday we racked up $2,500 in the PM. Chop, 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 but we got 45 seconds until 10 a.m. Predictions, quick predictions, 1 for up, 2 for down. Have I seen the ES chart? So ugly. All right, 15 seconds, 10 a.m. Moment of truth, fellas. Okay. Big wicks in both directions. We usually give it till 10:01 to pick a sense of direction. If it doesn't do that, then it's definitely very ugly. But we have NFP tomorrow. Looks like it's moving down lower. Let's see if we can take London lows. Super ugly day today. But good things come to those who wait. Good things come to those who wait. I try to live stream every day. Our goal is 2,200 subscribers before the end of the week. And we have 2 more days to do that. If we can get there today, that's insane. That is absolutely insane. Whoops. Also, if you want 90% off your evaluations on Apex, use code BEN for 90% off. Wild. Alright, 10 a.m. is just messy. Hey, thank you for the subscription. Whoever did that, you're a real one. That's it. We got 1 subscriber today. W. Today was 1% better than we were yesterday. Actually, not 1% yet. ES is consolidating as well. Let's see if any other YouTubers are still streaming. Tanya is. I'm surprised. Well, I mean, it is looking like it's clearing up. London lows are going to get taken now. Okay, London lows have been almost swept. No, London lows have been swept. Beautiful. Now let's see what the reaction is, because again, my target are these relative equal highs up here. Thank you for the subscription. Yo, let's try to get to 2,200. If we can get to 2,200, that's insane. We're starting to melt now. We also have that low hanging fruit down here, coupled with a fair value gap. We could potentially be trading too, but it's weird how it rejected 3 times off that level. So maybe it wants to take it in a later day. It looks like it just wants to sell off. Right? It does not look like it just wants to sell off. 930 manipulation above highs, and then it continues down lower. We took this low as well. Looks like we have that low to take. Market maker buy model. Market maker buy model low. Multiple 1 hour Bissi. Where's the one at that? The one that was already traded to though. It's in it. We're talking about this down there. I do want to get in shorts, but I'm gonna wait because I think longs are gonna pay off. We're at 13 likes. If you guys can get to 20 likes, you guys are insane. Let's get to 14 likes. You get 6 more likes. There's 45 people watching. 6 of you guys have to like the button. Helps me get on the For You page. Helps me get a lot more exposure and helps more than you think. Okay, we're still melting lower. Where are we potentially going to? We already filled out the regular trading hour gap. We have that regular trading hour gap, fair value gap. Regular trading hour fair value gap. Inversion fair value gap down there as well. Can't hear me over the music? Is that better? Is that better? Yes, perfect. So wicks down below but bodies above. Let's see how it reacts to that fair value gap. What's up, Rex? What's up, Amy? So far, it's respecting that fair value gap there. But we just took sell side liquidity, so I don't really want to take longs. We have those relative equal highs resting above. Patience. Patience is key. Thank you for the subscription, my man. You're a real one. Starting to clear up, though, which is good. We want to see an expansion to the upside. I like how it's failing to trade away right away, but it's also failing to trade up higher. So we just got to be patient. Just wait a little bit. Just have to wait a little bit. Right? We took liquidity. Gotta wait for a fair value gap. We have all these highs to take. The 10-10 macros finishing up. Let's see if we can still get a fair value gap entry during the macro. So 10 a.m. manipulated. 9:30 engineered highs, 10 a.m. manipulated. Anticipating that we're going to go back up higher there. But if you have any questions, anything you want to talk while we're waiting for an entry, feel free to type it in chat. I am not embarrassed to say it or talk about whatever you feel free, whatever you want to talk about. We're starting to move up higher. We have this inversion fair value gap, but I don't want to take it because it's not an ideal inversion fair value gap. We just want to wait for an expansion and that displacement for us to get into the trade. But we're coming close to taking an entry here. We're coming very close. I feel it in my bones that we're going to get an entry here. We bodied above that fair value gap. Actually, yeah, no, we kind of still respected it, but I'm waiting for that expansion. I want to see a swing high formed here, and then we expand above it, target those equal highs. But patience is key. If you're new to the stream, I stream every single day I trade. I have almost $200,000 in payouts, all accumulated from streaming on live executions have been performed live. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to watch my streams and watch videos that I post and get notifications when I do go live. I'm also probably going to be streaming PM session today. Last PM we made $2,500. So the PM session treated us really good yesterday. So I'm probably going to do it today. What's up, Leo? How's it going? Patience, waiting for that expansion. We have that swing high. Now we're waiting for that expansion. Hey, thank you for the subscription. Let's see how many likes we're at. Are we at our 20 like goal? Our goal is 20 likes. We're at 20. W. I appreciate it, guys. You guys are crazy. What's up, Lucky? How's it going? I gotta sit up here, man. I gotta sit up. I don't know how Patrick does this. He sits like this for the whole stream. He's like straight up, looking straight into his camera. He's like, oh my gosh. He has the energy of a streamer. I'm not gonna lie. He has the energy of a streamer. I'm a little bit tired today, but we're good. We're good. We're good. I have family over, so that's why I was late. I was saying hi to them. But we're looking for that expansion now. Again, we're waiting for that high. We took both levels of liquidity that I drew out. Now we're waiting for that expansion to the high. Looking for that expansion here. Why do you come back to streaming on YT? Because I love it. And the only reason why I went away from it is because I worked a full-time job. And I'm on a little bit of a break, testing it out, seeing if it's good. And if it's good, I'll go full-time in it. So far, it's treating me very well. It's treating me very well. And I'm enjoying every day that I'm doing it. I need to brush my teeth, bro. We're waiting for that expansion above that high right there with a fair value gap to get into a trade. Bang, target those equal highs up there, and we're chilling. Also, if you want 90% off future firms challenges with one of, if not the largest future firm in the world, code Ben at checkout. Missed you too, Leo. I'm glad I'm back as well. Man, I missed it. I missed everything. I missed streaming. I missed reading chat. So here's our expansion. We're looking for that fair value gap now. We're also in is a 5-minute that we're kind of disrespecting there. Hopefully we don't go too high and don't get filled. Looks like we are, though. Look how it bounces in between both PD arrays there. What's Figma down? 21%. Wow. Terrible stock. It is a terrible stock. Here's our fair value gap. Oh, don't immediately rebalance it. No, it was looking so promising. Oh, there's still a fair value gap there. Well, it looks like it's respecting that 5-minute fair value gap. So I'm gonna wait an extra minute to see where it bodies, because let's see, it looks like it's disrespecting it. Potentially look down one more time because of that 5-minute fair value gap. We're in that order block as well, so not really an order block. I just like calling every down close candle an order block. We just got to be patient. If you're new to the stream, I have almost $200,000 in payouts in the last year. I stream every single day I trade. Every single payout I've made, I live streamed. And sometimes I stream PM session, sometimes I don't. Yesterday, I ended up streaming PM session and made $2,500. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button so you know I'm live. And I also post some sick YouTube videos. Make sure to check the one that I highlighted, pinned at the top of my profile. That's a really good one. How many likes are we at? How many likes are we at? Let's refresh the stream. 23. You guys are amazing. Let's go. My goal is 2,200 subscribers before the end of the week. But we're moving down lower. Doesn't look like it wants to turn up yet. Again, those equal highs are engineered. But I'm going to be patient because it's still bouncing in between these two draws on liquidity. So we're just going to be patient. Wait for price action to clear up here. Okay, there's our rip lower. This price action just doesn't look like it wants to continue up. Looks like it wants to use 930 manipulation to the upside and continue down to these lows, which I'm totally for it. But, I mean, that is, if it bodies up here, that could be a big market structure shift. But a lot of the times in low probability price action, it just consolidates after taking liquidity, then turns up. You just have to be patient. We can also come back at the PM session. Have a good day for that too. One 2,173 subscribers. You guys are crazy. Thank you so much for the subscriptions. Helps more than you think. Every single one. Every single subscription helps more than you think. 15 and 5 bullish fair value gap. 320. Talking about these. Thank you, Rex. You're a real one, brother. We're at 27 likes. We're still ripping down lower here, so there's no clear sign that we want to reverse as of yet, but I'm still holding on to that because we have these equal highs. Daily chart. Looks like it wants to trade away, but it's also low probability as well. We had only up range today, so there's a potential that we can trade lower. Mitigation block here. If you like trading mitigation blocks, I personally don't. You could take this entry right here, put it to the top of the mitigation. I don't like trading mitigation blocks because 99% of the time it's huge stop losses. I'd rather trade fair value gaps. I try to stream every single day I trade, so if you're new here and not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you think. We're trying to hit 2,200 subscribers. Waiting for price action to just reverse on us here. We take out the consolidation lows on ES as well. ES is starting to slow down. Let's see if NQ is going to do the same. Day before NFP, so it's low probability. As of right now, you see that price action is still itching lower. Now it's slowing down, but you want to see it start to itch higher and then expand. That's when you know it's a reversal and you get into a trade. Not just when it expands once. You want to see it itch higher and then expand. Sorry for the yawn. Sorry for the yawn. We're at 30 likes. How many likes are we at? 28. You guys are crazy. Thank you so much. Here's our expansion, but we're in that fair value gap, market structure shift, fair value gap, so we need to be patient. But this looks to me like it could be a nice inversion if it wants a body above it. Could even take that inversion. See where it bodies. If I was to take it, I'm just putting out this tool, not that I'm taking it, just to see the risk. Let's see if she bodies above it. No, she doesn't. It's a shame. Patience. Let's see if it bodies above it now. It's 10:20. One more loss, I'm gonna get off and get ready for PM or maybe lunch hour or maybe like later on in the day. But looks like we want to give this shot at this nice trade a little shot here. Bodies above fair value gaps. Okay, inversion fair value gap here. Let's see if we can get a wick to it. Hasn't traded to it yet. Don't rip away from me. Don't rip away from me. Don't rip away. You want to just dip into it. We have this fair value gap down here as well. Come on. I know you want to touch it. I know you want to touch it. Pause. 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 But I know you want to go down to that fair value gap. There we go. It tapped it. Let's see what this candle does. Trades back up here. I'll get into long. Okay. Getting along here. This is, if I take this loss, this is an actual first loss, like a real loss, and I'm gonna get off for the PM session. We should rip up higher from this. Should I get rid of this tool? I personally think it's ugly when you have the lines. Same with executions. It just makes it look so messy. ES is starting to trade up higher after trading to that volume imbalance. Just want to see that expansion. I like how it's being slow here. That's good news. See an expansion here potentially. ES is starting to move a lot higher now. There's the expansion. Beautiful. Beautiful. I knew it wasn't going to trade to that fair value gap. I knew that the inversion was the play. Trading pop firms. I have 30 funded accounts. 20 on Apex, 5 on Tradeify, and 5 on Top Stack. Nice market structure shift. If we take that high, that would be beautiful. Beautiful reaction there. Where's my first partial, Ben? Where's your first partial consolidation highest? Banger. So far, a great start to the trade. Now, I could do two things. One, I could take risk off of the table and go like that. We did body above that highest, but I'm going to drag it below this fair value gap. Just for now. Taking $500 off of the trade. What's the best way to pass a prop consistently? Paper trading. You paper trade until you're consistent, and then you go pass a prop firm. That's if you're the best ways. There's no best way. You know what I mean? You just need to be consistent in your own model. Being consistent on a 50K account is being consistent on a $2 million account. That's the thing. Consistency is the hardest thing in trading, and once you can do it, you can make millions of dollars. It depends on how much you risk. If you can get 2K in payouts every month, you can get $2 million in payouts every month. It's not if you're a better trader, you can do that. It's how much more you can risk. How much more mental capital do you have? You want to trade in version fair value gap? No, I trade in fair value gaps as well, but I was identified that this I trade fair value gaps as well, but I identified this as a breakaway gap. Okay, I'm going to drag my stop loss this low now. Okay, risk is canceled off now. Beautiful. We're approaching my first partial. Beautiful shift in structure as well. Those equal highs are the target, but I'm going to take half off here and drag my stop loss in profit just because we rejected already 3 times at this level. But beautiful, beautiful long here. I'm going to put on my execution for you guys. You see we had a little bit of a loss here. Wait, what? Why does it look like that? I don't know. Beautiful long here. $4,000 profit. Gonna be more like $3,000 because I'm gonna take part, or like 3,500 because I'm gonna take a half off here. Nice market structure shift below sell side liquidity. Stop loss is dragged to negative 300. I'm probably going to drag it actually to break even now. You want me to manage your trade? By the way, if you are new here, make sure to drop that subscription. We're trying to hit 2,200 viewers. I mean, not viewers, subscribers. It helps a lot more than you think. I dragged my stop loss to break even because this is low probability. We're trading down to this breaker. Could trade down to that fair value gap, but it looks low probability now. Like that's not a good wick. I have to say that I really learned a lot through you, and that it's hard. There is hardly anyone who can convey it as well as you. Thank you, Chico. It means a lot, man. I'm glad that I can help you learn trading. That's why I do it, man. That's why I try to do it for free as well. I see a unicorn as well. Potential. Don't like that body reaction, but there is a volume imbalance there, so we're okay. ES is a lot higher. We get stopped out at break even. I'm going to get off and come back on the PM session though. But make sure to hit the subscribe button. You took the same trade. Nice, Parveed. Yes, sir. Great minds think alike. Trading down to that lower fair value gap. We should reject off of it now and move up. Yo, can we get to 2,180 subscribers before this trade finishes? That's 7 more subscribers. 7, you guys just have to click the subscribe button. It helps a lot more than you think. If you don't even want to see me and you just want to subscribe, then turn off notifications. If you want to know when I'm live, turn on notifications. Let's see if we can get 1. Made money off watching you yesterday on TikTok. Was very entertaining session. Lol, followed you right after. Hey, thanks, Bumscar. Right? Thanks, brother. Yo, listen. The best thing I love to hear, more than a subscriber, is when people make money watching my streams, because that is the best. But we're starting to move up higher again today, targeting these relative equal highs. Took that trade off the inversion fair value gap. When you see price action just barely trade into an imbalance here, and it just gives you that 2 little candlestick pattern, you can anticipate the next one to rip up higher. I've seen that happen a lot. I'll study that after. We're at 28 likes. 28 likes, right? We're at 30. W. Thank you guys a lot. Okay, I want to see an expansion here. 1030 is coming up. That's a little bit of volatility injection. So that should bring us up to at least our partial. Yes, it's moving up higher. Nvidia's back up to the positives. Amazon's up 3%. Wow. Beautiful trade so far. Okay, 10:30s in 5 seconds. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, fellas. Should have a little bit of speed here at 10:30. Maybe it's delayed. 10:30 is a key time frame to have just a little bit of volatility injection, which could potentially bring us back above that high. Wow, that unicorn is so beautiful. I know, right? Market structure shift, fair value gap, poof. Must be random. Ben, can you please share your music in the background? Yeah, sure. Literally called, you can't see that. Work music for deep hustle. Oh, am I not live anymore? Can you guys still see me? Tammy. How's it going, brother? Oh, we're approaching a partial. We can see you? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, I'm getting ready to partial one contract off. Drag my stop loss to that low. The Trump dance. I'll play some Tammy music after. You better, yo, if you copyright me, I'm gonna find you and you're going to pay me the $5 that I missed out on because I got copyright. I'm kidding. Don't like that body. Don't like that. I don't like that at all. You have my permission. All right, I'm sending that to YouTube. If your songs copyright me, I'm going to send that to YouTube. Great trade. I know, such a beautiful trade, dude. That entry, I love it when the entry's just very tiny and then it shoots up. You know what I mean? Poetry in motion, exactly. My family was over and I didn't even get to see them because I traded today. I feel really bad. I'm gonna take 50% at this green line. Took profits early with 1,000 following their earlier loss. Learning a lot more about better stop loss placement through your lives. Thank you so much. Hey, brother. I'm glad I can help. Stop loss placement is very important. But what's more important is dragging your stop loss at the right time in the right position accordingly for risk management. That also opens up potential to scale into the trade. I was thinking about getting into this, but I already had like losses before. So I was just like, you know what? Let me just be happy with the profits I have today. It's also still low probability. But you're going to drag my stop loss now. Not to that low, but to consequent encroachment because it could touch that low again. So guaranteed $300 on the day. On the trade. Nice fair value gap there. I just wanted to go to that partial so I can get that those profits, man. Yo, if you guys don't know, I have almost $200,000 in payouts last year. That's better than most of your famous streamers that you watch. Even though they make a lot of money and they have Lamborghinis, they don't make that from trading. And that you'd be surprised, that's more than a lot of these big streamers. And I do it every single day I trade. So make sure to hit the subscribe button to know when I'm live next. I feel like my limit orders are always too low. I try to target the consequent encroachment of fair value gap, usually when they never hit consequent encroachment. Any tips? Don't target consequent encroachment. Consequent encroachment isn't a target. It's a confirmation, right? When price action traded in here, it's confirmation that it doesn't touch consequent encroachment or touches but doesn't go below. That's confirmation of price action going up higher. See, why would you want price action to go to consequent encroachment of a fair value gap? That's not good. You don't, the less it touches it, the higher probability the fair value gap is. Okay? So consequent encroachment is an indication that price respects it and it doesn't go to the lower half. It's high probability that it's going to go up higher. Approaching my partial. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Dude, there's no way. There's no way you don't. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way it goes lower here. If I get stopped out here, I'm never streaming again. I'm kidding. No, I'm gonna partial here. I'm not gonna be greedy. First partial hit. Can you please describe the lot setting in paper trading? It's the same as anything else. Lot sizes is contract sizes. Nah, no worries, Misha. We're all learners. Here's the expansion towards our take profit. Smack that subscribe button. I want to hit this take profit so I can go spend time with my family who does not live near me. So please go up higher. Nice trade took from market structure shift and fair value gap, made $1,200. Let's go, Abbas. Let's go. Yo, we haven't had a subscriber in like 30 minutes. Let's get one subscriber. One subscriber right there. Whoever subscribed is a legend. And we'll get success in the next 2 years. One subscriber. One. Literally one. Has to be. One of you guys watching have to not be subscribed at least. Come on, tickle, tickle. Go up, go up, go up. Dude. Come on. Ugh, I feel like speed right now. I mean, amazing trade though. Like, look at this, dude. This is absolutely beautiful. Guarantee profits on the day again. Are you taking these on paper? Nope. There it is. There it is. He's a legend. He's a legend. Whoever just did that is a legend. A legend in the making. Thank you. Subscribe for my second account. Ah, Simon. Simon's a double legend, bro. Mike is glitching. Uh-oh. What about now? Can you hear me? Is it good? Yeah, sure. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? One second. I'll fix it. Hold on. One second. Ah, I see. Okay. Hold on, fellas. Where's that at? Still fuzzy? Unplug your XLR and plug it back in. Yeah, that's what I just did. Fixed? This guy Cortez, yo, you definitely have an XLR mic. How'd you know that? Alright, let's rip a wire here. No matter what, we have $2,000 banged in the pockets. Left side hearing. You're lying. I thought it was fixed. I thought it was fixed. Is it fixed? Is everyone having left side hearing? Oh, thank you for the subscriptions, by the way. But the trade is guaranteed profits now. It sounds good. Anyone left side? I don't think it is, Ashkar. It sounds good for me. Scared me. It scared me. It scared me. Oh, it is left side hearing. Right is music? What? Oh, I think that's the settings. One second. Test. Test. Nope, still left side. I'll fix it while we're waiting for this trade. Why am I getting the most subscribers now? Dude, like what? Why am I getting the most subscribers now? Dude, like what? I know, I'm trying to fix it, guys. Wait, I'm gonna go on mute for a second. Test. It's still on the left side. Hold on, let me unplug this. Dude, why am I getting so many subscribers now? The trade's going down. It's not going to my big profit. And I have audio on my left. Taking off. Thanks for stopping, Rex. Test. It's still left. I'm sorry, guys. I'll fix it. I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know why. But you guys are insane. Thank you for the subscriptions. Thank you. We're almost at 2,180. Okay, well, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Let's see this. Hello. Still the left. Dude. I don't know. Don't worry about it. Not a big deal. Okay. Thank you. I'll fix it for PM session. But But we're closing out this trade, potentially getting stopped in profit here. We're in that 5-minute fair value gap, so we should turn up though. Was it a full win or one break even on the day? This is a full win. This was full risk. You guys are crazy though. I get the most subscribers when when my audio messes up. Really wonder why I did that. Like, I'm really confused. It's a Shure SM7B. This is like the best microphone you can get. Maybe this works. Test. No. Well, while we're waiting for the trade, I'll try to focus on it. Okay. So it's not even. It is factoring in both right and left. Okay. I don't know why it's doing this. Headphones, it's factoring both right and left. Will I still be on later in the PM? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. I don't know. I'll fix it later. I'll probably have to restart my computer. Value up there. Still doing really well in this trade though. If you guys, I'm gonna fix my audio. It won't usually stay like this. This is a very expensive microphone. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm pretty upset about it. But if you're new here, I take trades like this very often. I got $200,000, almost $200,000 in payouts last year. I've live streamed all of it. I live stream every single day I trade. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. Our goal is 2,200 before the end of the week. So if we can get to at least 2,185, I'm confident that tomorrow we can get to that goal. Awesome live. I'll definitely see you on there then. Perfect. Bumscar, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you commenting. We're still in it though. The trade's still gonna go up higher. It did. We're not stopped out. It went to a 5-minute fair value gap. Slightly quiet, bro. I'm full volume here. Slightly quiet. 1 second. 1 second. This should be better. This should be better. Is it louder? Hello? Hello? It is louder. Okay. But it's still one ear. Much better. Perfect. Perfect. I'm so pissed on why it's only one setting. It's really annoying. Maybe if I do mono. Hello? Nope. Alright, it's stereo still. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Hey, yo! Who's going crazy? You guys are going crazy right now. Dude. Thank you. It's weird because like when I get in the trade, I'm doing good. No one's subscribing, but then when I'm focusing on my audio because it's messed up, you guys are giving me crazy subscriptions. Thank you so much. Crazy subscriptions. You guys are absolutely crazy. Are we gonna hit our goal 2,200 before the end of today? Because we're going live for a PM session as well. Do I still trade with Edgeful? No. It was just it was a small brand deal. How do people know to flock when issues? What do you mean, Simon? Beautiful trade, though. Hey, smash that subscribe. Boop, bro. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy today. Bro, every day is such a good stream. Just takes a while, you know? Like, the beginning gets slow. We catch a winning trade, and then poof. Everybody, smile. I'm going to be taking a screenshot for Twitter. So, everybody, smile. Boom. Banger. Where do you think price is going overall today? It's hard to tell because it's the day before NFP, but I think it's going to either, if it wants to be energetic, it could be going to these highs here. Not the highs, the regular trading hour gap. But I think it's just going to go to this fair value gap. Take those take those equal highs that it formed earlier on in the day. %50% of previous week. What's up, Noel? Long time no see. You guys are crazy, dude. Can we get, is it okay? Do we even have enough people in this stream that aren't subscribed to get to 2,200? Like, that's an insane goal, bro. 2,200, dude. Beautiful reaction on that 5-minute fair value gap. I want to see it turn up. I don't want to see it reverse here. Just gonna move my stop. Looks like we might get stopped in profit here. Question, should I gamble my 300k FX evals on NFP or trade it patiently? What do you think I'm gonna say, dude? No, gamble it. Come on, don't gamble it. Do you come daily on live? Every single day. I just coming out of streaming on Discord, now I'm back on YouTube. Nice manipulation wick there. Come on, I want to go spend time with my family. Like, can this trade go hit TP? It's not that I don't want to spend time with you, it's just like my family's here and they're leaving soon. Nice purchase of the McCartney tickets. Enjoy your time in Montreal. Hey, thank you. Yeah, dude. I'm super excited for the Paul McCartney concert. But it's an instant pass. An instant pass and an instant blow your live account. Damn, I hate the intraday trailing drawdown on Apex. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. From tomorrow onwards, I am becoming a regular supporter. Thank you, my man. I appreciate it. And I promise that you won't regret it. I know people that have made $5,000 to $10,000 watching my streams. Thinking about closing it on this high. I don't like this chop. It takes the it chops after taking that high, which is an indication of reversal. We know it's low probability, and we have clear rejection off that level. So I'm actually going to drag my stop loss to this low here. Just guarantee more profits. Extra $1,000. Let's see if we can go to that take profit anyways, though. Because it is not creating a lower low. Dude, another subscriber. You guys are absolutely going insane. You guys are crazy. I want to play some golf. I've been craving golf recently. We have 40 likes as well. You guys are crazy. Brother, I trade NAS on CFD, so is it okay, or I shift the futures? It's a lot easier if you trade NASDAQ. Futures is way better. What was your learning experience with Jess? Oh, I mean, we trade and we talked every single day. We had a Telegram group, me, her, and one other person, and we talked every day, and she helped me learn how to become a good trader. Same with, but mainly the other guy did, but she was there as well, and she was really nice. We would go on Zoom calls. We even started a project together. Trading off 30 fundeds at the same time. 25. Backtest Jess? Yes, backtest Jess. You know her? She's pretty big on Twitter. She doesn't post that much anymore, though. Do I know David Goggins? Of course I know David Goggins. She's a diamond. Yes, sir. What's a risk reward I follow? I don't follow a set risk reward. I just don't do anything under 1R. I'm potentially going to close here. I don't like this reaction. I don't like the consolidation. I don't like the failure swings. Yeah, ES also did take the highs, so like there's SMT. I'm not going to close actually. I'm just going to leave my take profit there. I'm not going to get greedy. Because maybe it does want to rip up. You guys are so crazy, bro. We're going to hit this goal after the PM session. Wait. I thought that was my phone. All right, we're going to get stopped out here. Bang. W trade, bro. Look at that. Absolute banger. Absolute banger. Again. Why not leave stops at break even? Because I want to confirm the profits that I have and come back for later, because I've seen this happen too many times. Where price rejects it more than once, it will reject again, and it's also low probability. I'm gonna run away with the profits that I have. I'm more than grateful with the profits that I have. I'm up a lot this week now, and it's the day before NFP. See here, Ben, I have a hard job trying to work out whether it's trade within the range or break down. How do you read it? What do you mean? I wait for manipulation. I look for this leg. Once this leg gets canceled out or past 50% to show that it's not going to respect the leg of manipulation that traded below the low, and then look for an entry like this to the most near relevant high. I will be doing a study session in the Discord after the PM session, but I'm going to end the live now, guys, and I will be going back live in the PM session. Yesterday, we made $2,500 in the PM session. Today, we did this. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you know when I'm going to be live next. Like, it's chop suey right now. Oh, it's because it's the day before NFP. You need to know these things, right? Forex calendar, large move before the AM session, like all those factors could mean a choppy day. The reason why there's choppy because it's the day before NFP. How much are you risk per trade? If you're trading a 50K, you should be trading around $200 per trade. All right, guys, I really got to run. I'll see you guys in the PM session in a couple hours. So I'm not going anywhere. Make sure to subscribe. Let's try to get one more subscriber before we go. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in a couple hours for the PM session. And then after that, I'm going on TikTok live. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Good trade.